Guys, so I filmed the entire first few steps without any audio, which is totally fine. We're just gonna do it on the other eye. Hey my gems, welcome back to my YouTube channel where we do all things beauty and then some. If you're new to the channel, hi, hello, how are you? My name is Sophia Brigitte and welcome to the Gemini family. So today I'm bringing you this look. When I stepped into the video, I didn't really know what I wanted to do. I kind of just started to throw colors together, colors that I usually wouldn't use, like a yellow, an orange, a blue. And this is what we ended up with. So if you like this look and want to know how I created it, stay tuned to the end of the video. One last thing, if you haven't checked out my giveaway yet, don't forget to go ahead and do so. You still have time to enter for the full lips giveaway. I will be announcing winners on April 21st, as well as messaging 3 people on my Instagram, letting you know if you won. So I am going in my James Charles palette. You guys know this is my absolute favorite palette. First things first, I am gonna prime, and I'm using my NYX eyeshadow base in the color Skin Tone. Next, I'm gonna go in with canvas and just set that base before it starts to crease. Now I'm gonna go in with some Tune and apply this color basically everywhere, like all over the lid. Now I wanna go into 518. Beautiful orange color. This is the first time that I've used this color and I am shook. And I'm just applying this color to the crease. Going in with a second layer of the eyeshadow color. Next, I really want to go into B. Mama B, this one's for you. And just go over the edges and kind of really bring it into that eyebrow in the inner corner. And we're actually gonna go back into this B color in just a minute, and I'll show you how we're gonna do that. I kind of want to mix You're Kidding and Rusted. And let's see what we can do. Put it right over that orange. Oh, that's pretty. Okay. Okay, perfect. So now I'm gonna go in and cut a half crease really quick. And I'm actually gonna go back in with all those colors that we used before, and I'm just gonna pack them in and you'll see. All right, so I am going to start with B and applying this color into the inner portion of the cut crease. Next, I want to go in with that orange shade. Look at that. I'm just so shook. Alright, and lastly, I'm gonna go back in with those 2 red shades and add that to the outer part of this crease. All right, my gems, so now that everything is all wild and crazy, we're just gonna go ahead and blend those edges away. Taking a clean brush, I'm gonna do right in between the edges of the two eyeshadows. Kind of get them to blend together. So now we're gonna go into the outer part of the look, and I really wanna just bring everything back up. So let's see. I am thinking going in with a little bit of cola and just kind of like right there. Just like pack it there and bring it up. Okay, kind of want to deepen it up just a little bit more and kind of find a transition color between the blue and the red. So I'm going to go ahead and add some purple. And we're going to go into Escape and pack that right there, right in between that red and that blue. And just blend it into both colors. I want to go back into Cola and mix it with a little bit of Spooky, just to make it a little bit darker. And now I'm gonna go back in with B and intensify that yellow. So as of right now, I'm pretty pleased as to how this is coming out. So we're gonna go ahead and wipe off that bake because it's been on for a little too long. And then we'll see if we need to make any modifications to the look. I'm gonna go in and spray myself really quick. Let all of that just soak in. Meanwhile, let me check the eyes. They look nice. I really like the combination of all those colors together. So now what I'm going to do is gonna get started on the bottom lash line. And what I wanna do is I really wanna combine the black and the blue and the purple in the bottom lash line and kind of just, you know, no, you probably don't, because I don't either. But with me saying that, I am gonna go in with that pencil brush and go into that purple, that Escape, one more time, and just place it right over here. And then I kind of want to go into that black and put it in the outer corner, and then go in with the blue and just kind of mix everything together. So I'm gonna go in with Spooky and just apply that onto my, oh, this is a nice black. Oh wait. All right, and now I'm gonna go in with that blue again. So my trick, remember, put it up, blend it together. Now we're just gonna go in with some of that concealer and just snap that up. So now that we have that in place, I'm gonna go in with my Prestige White eyeliner and I'm just gonna line my waterline with that. All right, so now I'm gonna go in with highlights, and for today, I really kind of want to go into face. Yep, that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna go into face. We're gonna highlight the inner corner. And we're gonna highlight the brow. Okay, so now we're gonna snatch up the face and just bring it up. A little bit of a surgery, if you will. You can call me crazy cause I want you when I never fucking met you. Okay, so after a million moons later, I'm finally back with lashes on. And I'm gonna go move on to blush. You guys already know which one is my favorite blush of all time. Why did I put my mirror away? It's a mystery we'll never resolve. But I like this quite a bit actually. Next, we're gonna be moving into highlighter, and you guys know my absolute favorite, where is it? There you go. The Champagne Pop by Becca. And of course, we've hit pan on this, and I'm very, very sad about that. I need to go buy a new one. We're gonna start with the nose. Just a little bit on right there, right there. And what's left, just add it to certain high points. And I'm actually gonna go in with a bigger highlighter brush. If you guys haven't realized this yet, this is what I do, how I do my highlighter. And then, boom, look at that. A little bit up here. One last spritz, and now we're gonna go move into lips, and I'm gonna go in with the Full Lips Cappuccino Lip Liner and just slightly overline my lips. I'm gonna go in with this e.l.f. lip lacquer in the shade Natural. And of course, lastly, we're gonna add a little bit of gloss, and I'm going in with this Full Lips lip gloss in the shade 97, and just applying that to the center of the lips. Alright guys, love you so much. See you in my next video. Bye!